Got an Opel Corsa Utility, and we're going to be changing one of the brake lights here. Got some tools assigned and new brake lights. We're just going to show you how we're going to do it. So for this project we just need a Phillips screwdriver. Got this is a Phillips size 1. Just loosening the screws on the rear side of the light fitting. Oh, that one's even loose. Okay, that cover comes off. So the gloves are in here, but they're held in place by some bolts that are into the frame. So we have to take that out. For that we're going to use this Draper socket set. It's just a small mini socket set, small little handle, and size 8 socket. That's one there, there's another one holding it in here. There's one right at the top. Light fitting pops out like that. There, they come out like that. Okay, before we go any further, we're going to just test it. Stop. I dropped one of these down into the body area. So I'm using a magnetic pickup. There we go. So this is an extendable telescopic magnetic pickup. It's saved the day. So, right, we fitted the globe in. Okay. And so I dropped the socket inside. Oh well, we'll just fish it out. Lifesaver. Right, and the last one, let's go up here. Okay, all that's left to do is to reassemble the cover. Right, now we're just going to test it. Brake lights work. Okay, indicator. Indicator works. Great, job well done. Just bear in mind these globes, you'll see here there's a double filament and a single filament. You need to replace the globe with the globe that comes out of the vehicle. So in our case, we had bought a double filament, but actually only needed a single filament.